Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. This is the today's look. It's my easy glam look using only 2 eyeshadows. So if you want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. So first off, I'm starting with priming my eyelids with the concealer. Going in with the shade Elfish from the Colourpop Dream Street palette. I'm going all over my lid, blending it into the crease and to the inner and outer corner of the eye. And for the center, I'm using the MAC Loose Pigment in blue brown. For this look, since it's a quick glam look, you can do without the liner, but I personally felt like I needed the wing liner. So if you don't want to do it, you can just pop on a lash, do some mascara and be done. For the rest of the face, I'm doing my same foundation routine. using Elfish again to smoke out my lower lash line. Guys, when you are using only two shadows, always remember to blend everything properly, otherwise it won't look nice. And guys, keep your eyes closed when you're setting your face. Don't get it in your eye, it hurts. Is it just me, or does anyone else also want their hair to be like super sleek and straight but have volume at the same time? I'm just trying to do that, not sure how to. So this is the completed look. Bit of a crazy video today, but I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you will be back for the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.